1. What type of languages are? 2. What is the primary use of R? 3. Which year did CRAN establish? 4. What is R Markdown used for in RStudio? 5. Which programming languages can R integrate with? 6. Which operator is used for comments in R? 7. Which command updates all installed packages? 8. Which year was RStudio released? 9. What type of data type does the L suffix define? 10. What is the default data type for numbers in R?